Hello you lovely bunch and welcome back to yet another episode of Everything You Need to Know. And in this episode we're going to be covering Aurora, our fallout remover. So let's get into it. So what is Aurora? Well, it's our revolutionary fallout remover and I'll tell you why. The chemist managed to smash it with this one, so not only does it remove iron fallout, it also removes other heavy metals such as lead. So when it's removing iron, it bleeds a purple colour. And when it's removing other metals, as I say, such as lead, it'll bleed a green colour. And where can you use it? Windows, wheels, paintwork, the whole car really, or vehicle if you like. When would you use it? I'd typically use it if I was doing a decontamination stage on my car, such as if I was going to be clay barring or doing a machine polish. I'd get this bad boy out. So how do we use our fallout remover? Well, you'd wash your car first, then dry the car. It's a pain in the backside, but you've got to dry it because if you spray it onto a wet car, it's going to dilute the product. We've not designed it to be diluted. Once the car's dry, just spray it on your wheels, your paintwork, your windows, wherever you're putting it, and then just leave it to do its job. Once it's starting to react, you'll see your purple, your green, or even both of them, depending on what's already on there. So then once you've left it for a few minutes to do its job, rinse it off, but make sure you rinse the whole lot off. Don't leave any product behind. So the reason we tell you to use it on a clean surface is because fallout remover can actually react with dirt, because dirt can entrap a bit of fallout within it. So get that dirt away first and then use your fallout remover. Some people think that if they spray it onto the wheels which are dirty because there's brake dust on there and it starts reacting, thinking it's doing its job, but it's not. It's just wasting product and it's wasting your money. So clean your wheels first with a dedicated wheel cleaner and then use your fallout remover. So a lot of people that use this for the first time, some of the mistakes they make is, as I've just said, they use it on a dirty panel, dirty wheel. Don't do it that way, clean it first. Other people as well, they'll use it when the car's hot or if it's in direct sunlight, so make sure that that panel is cool to touch before you put it on. If you put it on a hot panel, it's going to dry instantly and you're going to have a nightmare getting it off. And also, don't open it in your house because it stinks. So what can you pair Aurora with? Well, as well as other decontamination products, you can use GTR, which is our tar and glue remover, or you can grab yourself a clay bar, but make sure you get yourself a clay bar lubricant. The two have to go together. So that's everything you need to know about Aurora, our fallout remover. All of the products mentioned in the video today are available in 500ml, the Pro 1 litre size and the 5 litre size. The links for all these are in the description below. So if you found this video helpful, as always, drop us a like and a comment. If you've got any questions about this or anything else, drop them in the comments below. And until next time, thank you.